Hey folks, this is Basant here. What if there's the platform or AI that can post your social media content from the single platform to all of your social media channels, whether it's the Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, or it's your X, it's your YouTube, it's your Blue Sky, all the social media platforms from the single platform you can post. And here's the best part, whether you are going to creating the automation with the N8 or even the make.com or the Zapier, here's also you will get the API key that using the you can create the automation, and straight off that automation you can post to all of your social media platforms here. So this is the late, and I have found it recently on the app Sumo. It has more than 30 plus reviews available, and what I like it here is super easy yet super straightforward user interface. You can see we have the main section available, we have the post section available where we can create the post or schedule the post, we have the connections available, and look at the connectivities with the platform. We have the TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, X, Threads, Blue Sky, Pinterest, and even the Reddit. Yes, even the Reddit. Some of the platforms at the social media marketing automation tools, they don't have the Reddit or the Pinterest or the Thread, but in this platform we are getting these as well. And let me give you the one more surprise here. If I go to the API here, all I need to just create the API. Now I can use this API key in the automations with the help of N8 or the make.com or the Zapier, and after that, without even logging on this dashboard here, from the N8 automation or whatever the tool I use to create the automation, from there I can schedule or create the post to automatically post it. That will be the full 100% automation. So that is extra one unique thing I have found it in this platform. Previously we have to get the API from the YouTube or the Google, then the Facebook or the Instagram, then we have to connect that. Okay, but here all I need just single API key to automate all these social media channels. This is the really big surprise. So right now this platform is available on the app Sumo starting from the just $49. Yes, you don't have to pay the monthly or yearly subscription charges. This is the super affordable pricing starting from the $49, and we have the 4-tier plans available. Every tier plan is going to give you the more uploads per minute and the more profiles you can connect. For example, in the one profile you can connect all these social media platforms here. Okay, so assume if you have the access up to 10 profiles or the 50 profiles, meaning you can manage up to the 50 brands social media channels. Okay, so that is the basically means. Then we have the unlimited users. Okay, so by mean that you can see we have this user section available here. I can just add my team member email, and after that I can also add them here, so that is also a good thing available. Okay, then directly upload. There's also the reuse option available. If I go to the post section and if I create any post here, you can see this is the reuse option available. In the suppose I have just schedule a post today and I also want to schedule it 1 month later, so with the reuse I can do that. Okay, so right now if you want to check it out, this lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description, and I'm also giving out my free bonuses that you can find on the description, so make sure you don't miss them out. Now let me give you a detailed demo and the tutorial of this platform here. So once you got the lifetime deal, this is the sign up button. You have to just click, and after that you will be the dashboard here. So in the dashboard first we are going to connect our social media platform. So simply go to the connection, and here first it is ask you to create a profile. Click here on the create a profile, and after that you will able to access all these social media channels. We can create and connect with the TikTok, we can just connect with the Instagram, and this is how it is going to connect. Simply you have to click here on this connect button, and it will be redirected to that platform. You have to select that profile you want to connect with this late platform, and after that you will be simply connected. That will be the more than I think not take you 30 seconds to connect it here. Then once it is done, you have to go to the post, and now we can start creating or scheduling the post to all of the our connected social media channels. Simply click here on the create post, and after that you have to add your post text. For example, this is my demo post. Forget the spelling mistake here, and after that I can upload the real images or whatever the graphics I have available. I can simply upload here. Okay, so let me go to downloads, and suppose I want to just upload and talk about recently created this video here. Okay, and this is the thumbnail I have added just. Okay, now I will select the date and the time if I want to schedule it for the later. But if I want to publish it right now, so if I click here publish now, this will be the selected. I can also click here reuse, so it will be the used to like for the later part. Okay, so the later duration. Now I can select the channels on which I want to post it. So simply if I select the Facebook, Instagram and the threads, it will be selected. And now you can see we have the post format, story format or the carousel format here. If I will upload the any video, this reel option will also be enabled. And after that, if I click here on the publish now, this content will be the post to all of my selected or the connected social media accounts. So that is super easy. Okay, now let me talk about one of the great feature, that is the API key. If you don't know what it is, no worries, I will tell you in this simple words. So with the API we can connect one platform features to the another platform. Mostly it will use to integrate one platform to the another or creating the automation. Suppose I am using the make.com and I am creating a automation for the social media, whether it's automatically going to scrape the internet, find me the most suitable content pieces and then turn them into the social media content. For each of the social media platform I have used there, it will be posted then. Okay, so now previously what I have to do, I have to go to the Google, then I have to create the API key for the publishing it on the YouTube. Then I have to go to the Facebook for publishing it on the threads, Facebook or the Instagram. Then I have to go with the Twitter. Then I have to again connect with the API key or the whatever the steps available. Then I will able to connect it to Twitter on that social media automation. But right now what I have done, because I have already created the connection on the late platform, now I have to simply get the API key, and then with a simple one API key, I don't need to manually creating the APIs for the YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok separately. Just one API key will work great here. So that is what this is going to make you happy. If you are a developer or little bit know in the automation, this thing is just magical and solved a lot of the problem here. So this is all the features you are going to see in this platform, and like I said, this user interface is really good here, and there's also dark mode available. See, that is really good. So if you want to check it out this deal, the link will be in the description. And like I said, don't forget to check out the bonuses that I am giving out absolutely free with this platform. And if you want to stay subscribed with my channel, you can enjoy these kind of the videos every week. So make sure you also hit the subscribe button and push the notification bell. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.